Hi guys, today I want to talk to you guys about the Trojan Horse of our generation. It's called public AI. It's cheap enough and powerful enough that your employees are using it and thinking that they're providing you real value. They're more productive. It feels better. But really, it's a masterclass in self-sabotage. I recently wrote a post that articulates the 12 ways that public AI can undermine your business from the inside. It covers my top 12 reasons why organizational AI is different than individual AI. And today, I'm gonna ask my top 3 and what should be your top 3 too. The first soldier that sneaks out of the horse, it doesn't do anything, it just learns. It soaks up all of your corporate data like a sponge. Every time an employee uses public AI, they're not just getting an answer, they're giving a lesson. You are meticulously teaching AI your secrets, your competitive advantage, your unique market insights, your winning sales strategies. You have volunteered your company to be the unpaid and frankly world-class R&D department for a machine that does not work for you. You were funding the development of the very tool that will one day be used to make your business obsolete. It's not a tool, it's a sponge, and it's soaking up your corporate DNA. Now, the second soldier, that one doesn't just learn, this one actually publishes. Get this. This isn't a future threat. This is a right now threat. I want you to open up a Google browser. Go to site.openai.com/share. Now look at the internet's new public diary. Thousands of supposedly private conversations are literally indexed in search. So, within a few hours of me recording this segment, OpenAI went and fixed that hole that allowed their searches to be indexable by Google. They even got the Wayback Machine. This is all great news. Good on them, but it doesn't mean that the danger is gone. In fact, it proves my central point even more powerfully than anything I could have said. The security of these public tools is volatile and out of your control. You can't build your company's security policy on a foundation that can be changed overnight by a third party without notice. The risk isn't just one specific bug. It's the entire approach of using public tools for private work. Today it was ChatGPT's shared links. As of this edit, similar platforms like Grok have similar sharing features that are still available. Tomorrow it'll be another tool or another underlying vulnerability. The principle stands. The third soldier doesn't steal or publish. This one just creates chaos inside your walls. Even when your data is secure, your AI is going to operate closer to a slot machine than a true productivity tool. The results you're getting are going to be a gamble. They type, "make this better," and pull the lever on the slot machine and see what happens. Most of the time, they get junk that requires more work than starting from scratch. This isn't a business process. This is a trip to Vegas. You're betting your brand consistency, your sales messaging, your team's valuable time on output that has no idea what's going to make your business a success. So, you're running a free university for your competition, publishing your secrets in a public diary, and gambling with your workflow. These aren't separate issues. These are calculated results of bringing a Trojan horse into your business. The solution is not to decorate the horse, it's to build your own fortress. It's the entire strategy that I lay out in my book. You need to build yourself an AI moat. An AI moat is the polar opposite of the Trojan horse. It's a defensible proprietary system where your power works for you, not for outsiders. It means building a private GPT where your data is your asset, not a donation. It means using engineered prompts that deliver predictable, professional results, not a random spin of the wheel. It's a fortress where your secrets and your advantage are absolute. These are just 3 of the ways that your company is being self-sabotaged from within. In the full blog post, I outline all of them. But the diagnosis is just the first step. The cure, the complete architectural blueprint for your own AI moat, is in my new book. Sign up at the link below and you'll get exclusive access to the strategies that make this existential risk your most powerful weapon. So, are you gonna keep polishing that Trojan horse? Or are you gonna start building that fortress? Stop the sabotage. Start building your moat.